So guys, I wanna be showing you guys on how to crack this Aviator version 12.0.5. Okay, so it's better you hit a white subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, like these videos as well, so that it will get to so many people that are interested in hacking Aviator Predictor. Note, I don't play bets. I don't know anything about betting. All I do is about cracking. Okay, so if you have any betting app you want to crack, you can also message me, then we can make a deal. Note, it's not free. So now I'll be cracking this Aviator in front of you guys. Let me click on any of these. This video is for educational purposes only. Don't try to use anything in this video for any harm, okay? So that you guys should just stay away from wasting your money, okay? So that's why I'm making this video for you guys. So now let's get started. If you notice here real quick, if I put any wrong code, you save, it says incorrect ID. So I do it again, it says incorrect ID. So now let's go now using our APK Editor Pro Plus, which is for sale if you want to get it. So now I'm gonna click on here that says select APK from app. So once I select it, it's gonna load up a little bit. So once it loads, I'm gonna locate the app here, which is the Aviator 12.0.5, and I'll click on it and then click on the first option that says full edit. I will click on it and click on all files. So all files, and then it's gonna load. I will navigate to this particular place, which is the files, and once I navigate there, I have to do this by going to the smiley, that place, tap on the smiley, and then it's gonna smize the app. Now we just need to impute the keyword. What is the keyword? Let me show you guys. The keyword here is incorrect. Okay, let me just incorrect password. As you can see, that is the keyword we will impute. So now we write incorrect password. So once I click incorrect password, notice here incorrect ID. So now let me search it by clicking on here. Wait, so let me point it to you guys. This is the search over here. So now tap on it, and once you tap on it, it's gonna bring out this thing for you. So there is it. Now tap on it, and then you need to click on this red option. So now stop it, and then here is it. You can see the incorrect ID, which is the keyword. Now we have to locate the password. So how do we know the password? The password always be at cost-string v1. That's where it is. So now here's the password. The password is the one in the middle, which is the v12.0.0. That is the password. So now we're gonna copy it out. So let me copy it out. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So let me now navigate to the app, and then once I navigate there, I will not clear the password. The wrong one the one I first write, I will play it and then impute the correct one. And once I do that, I will click on continue, and then you will notice something different. Then boom, it has successfully logged me in. So I click on start game, it's gonna be loading. So that is it, how to get the code that's been anytime. Okay, peace, be safe, stay safe from all these fake Aviators. That's gonna be the end of this video. Hit the like, subscribe button, until I see you guys in my next video. Peace out.